Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, it's by the brand KIPOZI. And pretty much what it is a professional hair straightener that you can use to straighten out your hair. If you guys have like a really thick hair, or you guys have a really messy hair every single day when you wake up in the morning, you guys want to straighten it out, this is a cool product to have. So first thing first, let me actually unbox it to show you what comes out the package first before we do the test and everything else. So when you first open the package, you guys get this very cool kind of opening design that makes you feel a little bit premium with a little magnetic design right here to hold it in place. And when you guys open it up, it's also kind of bougie as well. In the bottom, they actually provide you a little user manual instruction guide on how to set up the product and how to use it. But let's open up the product itself, show you guys what it looks like. So you can see there's a little logo right there. They have the little screen right here to show you guys the temperature and the on and off function on here. So if you guys look right there, there's a plus, minus, and a P. That's how you guys control the temperature on here. And then if you guys look at the P, that means the program that's already programmed it on here. So like the different temperatures that's already set. So I'm gonna open this compartment right here to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the inside looks like. If you can see, very nice little ironing on each side. Inside is where you guys will see the little on and off switch right here. If you guys can see, it's hard to show you guys, but that's where the on and off switch. Kind of weird spot to put it, but that's how it is for them. And right here, you guys can see the safety lock. And pretty much what it's for is to lock it in place for like safety reasons. So right now, you guys can see I can open it and close it like that. But once I activate the safety lock by pushing it up, it will actually lock it in place. So then it won't actually move or not. So that's the safety lock. And then for the plug, it's obviously right here, so you guys plug that into the wallet and you guys can start using it. So the only way for us to actually find out when it actually works or not is to go test it out and see how long it takes to kind of heat up and try it out and see how it works and whatnot. Alright, so I have the product all plugged in right now. You guys can see it right here. Remove that little slip right here as well, but you guys can see that light right there. So how you guys will turn it on is by pushing this button up right here. And then it turns on. You guys can see that the grease on here. So right now it says 106. So it's heating up right now. So I think once it gets to like around 170 or so, that's when it's at the right temperature to use. But depending on what kind of hair you guys are using, you guys can control it on the P right here. So if you guys want 270, you guys can control that. And it goes up there immediately, if you guys can see. Doesn't take more than like probably 20 or 30 seconds to fully get the heat up to where you guys want to. So there's 270, 350, and then 410, depending on what kind of hair you guys have. You guys have damage here, you guys want to use like the lower one, but you guys have like the somewhat good hair, you guys want to use 350. If you guys have like a healthy hair, you guys can use 450 because your hair can handle that kind of temperature. So just to be safe, I'll probably use like 270 right now. And then when you guys are not using product, you want to make sure the safety lock is on, or just turn off the product right here so that way you don't burn anything or burn yourself, because that is iron, so you want to be as careful as possible. So it's kind of hard to show you guys a test of the product, especially since I don't have enough long hair. But as you can see, it's kind of like a mess. So I'm trying to straighten it out right now to show you guys when it works. And when you guys use it, you want to make sure the iron is not touching your forehead, or you'll probably burn your forehead. And then when you guys are doing it, you want to make sure that it's not putting on for too long, or it will burn your hair. So it's kind of hard for me to record and do it, so I'll show you guys the aftermath after it's done. Alright, so this is kind of like the aftermath of kind of using it a little bit. Kind of straighten it out. So if you guys can see, I straighten out to the point right now where this part won't go down because it's kind of straightened out, so it sticks that way. So I guess for a girl, if you guys trying to straighten it out, you guys can straighten out really nice. The hair is not going down right now because I'm using the hair straightener, so it keeps it straight to the point where it's like wherever you guys keep it at, that's where you guys keep it at. Especially since like this thing is really hot, so at first I saw like a lot of steam coming out as well. So you guys can definitely tell that the product does work. Just for me as a guy, it's hard to show you guys, but you guys can kind of see that it's straight. It's just not going down at all. And then one thing I want to mention about this product is that when you guys finish using it, don't put it somewhere like that will probably catch on fire or something, because it's really hot. So you guys don't want to use this hanger part right here to kind of like hang it and let it like cool down before putting it in the box or something, or where you guys want to put it back. Or you guys can just leave it hanging somewhere and then just let it cool down. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see that actually does work. It was hard for me to actually show you guys how it works on my hair and whatnot, because I don't really have really long hair and my hair are kind of like fine by itself already, naturally. So it's hard for me to show it for you guys. But based off my test and whatnot, you guys can kind of see how it actually does work. But that's pretty much everything for this product. Now that we did the test and show you guys what comes out the package, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular costs around $35, and for that price range would I say that's actually worth it or not? So for me, honestly, I wouldn't say it's worth it for me because I don't really need this. But if you guys are someone who have like really long hair or really thick hair, then it would be really nice to get any kind of like straightener in general to kind of like make a huge difference to kind of stand out and look better every day and whatnot. And especially for people who are getting ready to go to like some kind of like prom or some special event or something, and just want to make sure your hair looks really straight and looks really nice, this would be a nice product to have or use as well. And then obviously for people who don't have long hair or don't need this or whatever, then obviously don't buy it, because why buy something they actually don't need? But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming out soon in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have